Love, hindi laging about perfection. Love's about understanding kahit hindi mo laging maintindihan. It's about small gestures, simpleng smile, isang touch, o simpleng kumusta ka. Love is patience. Kahit minsan mahirap intindihin ang puso ng iba, pipilitin mo pa rin. Love is also forgiveness, hindi lang sa kanila, kundi sa sarili mo rin. At higit sa lahat, love is growth. Love teaches us to be better para sa sarili at para sa iba. Kaya, never forget, love isn't perfect, but worth it. Choose love every single day.